In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Snowflake schema, a key component used often in data warehousing to organize your data efficiently. Let's dive in and navigate this process together, step by step, to ensure that by the end, you have a new schema set up and ready to go. First things first, you need to log in to Snowsite, the graphical user interface that Snowflake provides. Open your preferred web browser, head over to the Snowflake website by typing https://snowflake.com into your address bar. Here, you'll enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Snowsite dashboard. Now, you're looking to access the Data tab to continue the process. Take a look at the left-hand side menu of the dashboard. Amongst the list, you'll see an option labeled Data. Go ahead and click on that. The Data tab is your gateway to managing and organizing various aspects of your data within Snowflake. This is where you can view your databases, tables, views, and more. Upon entering the Data tab, it's time to select the right database where you'd like the new schema to live. Scan through your existing databases and pick the one that suits your needs. For demonstration purposes, let's say you choose a database named Test Database. Simply click on that database to highlight it, which will reveal further options. Next, to create a schema within your chosen database, locate the three dots or the ellipsis, which usually appears next to the database's name. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear, granting you various options related to database functionalities. From this menu, go ahead and select Create Schema. This step paves the way for you to detail how exactly you want your new schema to be structured. Now it's time to name your schema. Coming up with a meaningful and easily identifiable name is crucial, as it helps ensure the long-term usability and organization of your data. For instance, if your data is related to sales, you might want to call it Sales Schema. Enter the name in the designated field and then proceed by clicking the Create button. This action will generate your new schema within the database. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new schema within your chosen database. This schema will help you in structuring and managing your data more effectively, giving you a solid foundation to enhance data processing and analyses. Keep these steps handy for whenever the need arises to set up additional schemas, or for assisting your colleagues with their data organization tasks. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Feel free to explore further and make use of Snowflake's versatile features to optimize your data management. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.